Hello friends, welcome to EduTap and also welcome to the series which we have started recently for IBPS A4 mains exam, that is agriculture. And today's lecture, that is lecture 10, is on pulses. So here in this lecture we shall deal with some of the few important questions related to pulses. So friends, before starting with the session, I have a small announcement to make here. We at EduTab, we are going to launch courses for IBPS A4 2020-21 very soon. So please visit our website www.edutab.co.in for any queries or further details. So friends, let's start with the session, and the first question says the sour taste in chickpea is due to the presence of which of these following acid or acids? And here the correct answer is oxalic and malic acid, which imparts that sour taste to chickpea. So friends, of which the malic acid present is 90 to 96% and oxalic acid 4 to 10%. Botanical name of chickpea, that is desi chickpea, it's Cicer argentinum, and Kabuli chickpeas, Cicer kabulium, and its origin is Southwest Asia, Afghanistan. It belongs to family Leguminosae or Papilionaceae. And chickpea, it is the king of pulses and contains 22 to 23% protein. It's a self-pollinated and a long day plant, and the cultivation of chickpea is best in light alluvial soils. See, this is the Kabuli chana and this is the normal chana that the desi chana that we have. So friends, next question says which one of the following is the world's first hybrid variety of PGNP, that is Kajana Kazan red gram, and the correct answer here is ICPH8. This is the world's first hybrid variety of PGNP released by ICRISAT Hyderabad in 1991. They used a genetic male sterility and then thereby they they developed this variety. And here this ICPH8 matures in 130 to 132 days with an average productivity of 20 quintals per hectare. So friends, next comes is what is the botanical name of green gram? See, botanical name of green gram is Phaseolus aureus, and recently this was changed the name. Earlier it was Vigna radiate, this is the old name, and Phaseolus aureus is the new name. And green gram is the hardiest crop among all the pulses, that is considered to be hardiest crop. And this is the pod and these are the green gram seeds, and the seed rate of green gram is 12 to 15 kg per hectare. Again, it belongs to Leguminosae family. So friends, next question is what is the recommended ratio, that is a general recommended ratio of fertilizer dose, that is NPK for pulses? And here the correct answer, the recommended ratio of fertilizer dose NPK for pulses is 1:2:1. So that is nitrogen 1 part, 2 parts phosphorus and 1 part potassium, NPK. And here these are the various general recommended doses of fertilizers. For pulses it is 1:2:1 to 1:2:2. And for cereals it is 4:2:1. See, since these are Leguminaceae family plants, they all generally have root nodules, so they fix their own atmospheric nitrogen, hence the requirement of nitrogen is very less in this case. Whereas in cereals it is 4:2:1, and for root crops it is 2:1:1, and for fodder or fiber crops it is generally 2:1:4. So friends, the last question in this lecture says field pea contains dash percentage protein, that is field pea is nothing but green pea, that is Pisum sativum, and it contains 22% protein and 60% carbohydrates and 1.8% fat. And the botanical name Pisum sativum belongs to the family Leguminosae, and seed rate is 100 to 150 kg per hectare. So friends, here comes the answer of the day. In the last lecture, I have asked a question that says the soil horizon that is formed by the process of alluviation, which is nothing but washing out, which is that zone? it actually is a zone of horizon, but generally this A zone also is divided into three subzones. One is A1, A2 and A3. So specifically if they ask, then the soil horizon that is formed by the process of elevation is A2, which is also called as E zone or zone of elevation. And here elevation is nothing but the process of removal of the constituents in suspension or solution by the percolating water. So while the water percolates, it carries along with it the constituents, soil constituents, and these get deposited in A2 zone in general. And then that's the reason, since this zone is formed by the process of elevation, it's called zone of elevation or the A2 zone. So friends, today's lecture, the question of the day is, which is the unique saline tolerant rice variety that is native of Alappuzha, Thrissur and Ernakulam districts of Kerala? This has been in news very recently. So thank you very much friends for watching this video, and if you have any queries, please write to us at hello@edutype.co.in, and if you have any queries, you can even reach us at the number given here. Thank you very much.